Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Realme GT Master Edition, how you can actually buy for about 19,999 during the Flipkart Festival Sale offer. Yes friends, finally the Diwali sale has been unlocked for the Flipkart Plus membership users, and right now you can actually buy the Realme GT Master Edition for about 19,999. So this is the same kind of offer which we did see before during the Big Billion Day sale, but this time you need to have the SBI credit card to get this kind of 19,999 for the Realme GT Master Edition. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video, and this offer at this moment is only available for about 6GB RAM variant only. 6GB RAM variant, that's what you should definitely understand in case if you're planning to buy the Realme GT Master Edition. So if you look at the Flipkart website regarding this Realme GT Master Edition 6GB RAM variant, the price will be about 25,999. The price did not decrease much. I think it got decreased from 26,999 to 25,999. But anyway, so the overall, if you want to get the 19,999, you need to have the SBI credit card, as I said. So if you don't have SBI credit card, you can actually get the instant discount of 4,000. So it doesn't matter what kind of bank you are trying to use, SBI, HDFC, S Bank or Citibank. So 4,000 instant discount will be available. But if you use the SBI credit card, you do get the 10% instant discount will be available, and 750 instant discount on the orders above 5,000 rupees. As you can see, exactly 10% instant on 5,000 above and 750 instant on 5,000 above. So in this way, you'll be able to get the Realme GT Master Edition for about 19,999 at this moment, in case if you have the SBI credit card only. So not any other bank, only credit card at this moment. The offer is applicable. And let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts on this one. For 20,000, definitely friends, it's kind of a good deal, I would say, in terms of the performance wise. I've been using this device for the past, I think, close to 1 day of usage. I think 1 week of usage, not 1 day. 1 week I've been using. It's been really good experience with the Realme GT Master Edition. Overall, I can definitely say that. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you want to know more details, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to reply to your comments, and this for the 6GB RAM variant model only. That's it friends, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Unless stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, and stay tuned for more Flipkart and Amazon sale offers. Definitely I'll try to post a lot of videos regarding this sales discount which is going on, and stay tuned for more updates as well. Meanwhile, in case if the offer change, I'll try to inform you, because offer keeps on changing. This is not consistent, so make sure to stay tuned for more updates as well. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Bye.